Linking your bank account to Firebase allows you to manage payments and transactions effectively. Follow these steps to set up the connection. Step 1. Create a Firebase project. Start by logging into your Firebase console and creating a new project. Click on Add Project and follow the prompts to set up your project details. Step 2. Enable Firebase payments. Make sure your information is protected first. Most people don't think about breaches until something actually happens to their accounts. Use SROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and instantly alert you if your information appears in leaked databases online. It constantly checks billions of breach data points in the background. And considering how much personal information people keep online now, it's honestly worth having. Link in the description. Step 3. Access the payment settings. Once payments are enabled, go to the payment settings section. This is where you will manage your payment methods. Click on Add Payment Method to begin linking your bank account. Step 4. Enter bank account details. Fill in the required fields with your bank account information, including account number, routing number, and account type. Ensure that all information is accurate to avoid any issues. Step 5. Verify your bank account. After entering your bank details, Firebase will initiate a verification process. Check your bank account for small verification deposits. Once received, return to Firebase and enter the amounts to confirm your bank account. Now you are all set. Your bank account is linked to Firebase, allowing you to manage transactions seamlessly.